What's going on, ladies and gentlemen and everyone in between? My name is Darku, and you know it by now on my tutorials there are no ads and no bull. Have you recently updated Windows that's given you bloatware again and reset all your preferences? Have you maybe just installed a fresh install of Photoshop, or had to reinstall, or even clean slate your own preferences? Perhaps you're having the same issue as what I've come across, which is if you've got a layer here and you've got another layer here. Let's take this text, for example, over the top of a logo picture, and we do this, and we're thinking, maybe we want to move that logo picture. Usually in Photoshop, you know, with good settings, you would go to the PS logo right here, and I would try and move the PS logo, but it would automatically grab the top layer, and you're thinking, God damn it, that's annoying. Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, here is the quickest tutorial of all time. All you want to do is, when you've got your grab tool selected at the top left, literally just untick auto select. That is literally it. Other than make sure that layer is selected, make sure auto select is off. Now, when you click on the layer that you want to move, it will move that layer no matter where you click. Alright, I hope this helped. Again, no ads, no bull. See you on another video. See ya!